From ancient myths of Icarus to the modern dreams of reaching Mars, humans have always yearned to soar. The desire to conquer the skies and explore the cosmos stems from an innate curiosity. Early attempts at flight were clumsy but persistent, laying the groundwork for future successes. The dream of flight inspired inventors and adventurers alike. In the 20th century, significant milestones in flight and space exploration were achieved. Each breakthrough built on previous efforts, changing the world and expanding humanity's horizons. From the Wright brothers' first powered flight to landing on the moon, each step was bold. The journey continues today with new frontiers in both aviation and space. The story of flight and space exploration is a testament to human ingenuity and determination. As we look back at history, we see a clear trajectory of progress. On December 17, 1903, Orville and Wilbur Wright achieved the first controlled powered flight at Kitty Hawk, North Carolina. Their aircraft, the Wright Flyer, stayed aloft for 12 seconds, covering 120 feet. The Wright brothers were not the first to dream of flight, but they succeeded through a methodical approach. Their innovative control system allowed the pilot to steer the aircraft effectively. The significance of this milestone cannot be overstated. It demonstrated that human flight was possible. It inspired a wave of innovation and experimentation, marking the beginning of the age of aviation. The Wright brothers' achievement laid the foundation for modern aviation. Their work proved that persistence and innovation could overcome seemingly impossible challenges. This milestone encouraged further advancements and set the stage for rapid progress in aviation. The Wright brothers' success demonstrated that human flight was possible. World War I saw significant advancements in aviation technology, driven by the urgent need for better aircraft. Both sides invested heavily in developing new planes, transitioning from fragile biplanes to more robust aircraft. Early in the war, planes were used primarily for reconnaissance, but air superiority soon became crucial. This led to the development of fighter planes designed for aerial combat. The war also saw the emergence of bomber planes capable of carrying explosives. The introduction of bombers changed the nature of warfare, adding a new dimension to military strategy. By the end of World War I, aviation had advanced significantly, with faster, more reliable, and more capable aircraft. The war accelerated technological progress, laying the groundwork for future advancements in aviation. Many innovations developed during this time were crucial for the future of aviation. The advancements during World War I marked a significant leap in aviation technology. The period between World War I and World War II is often referred to as the Golden Age of aviation. This era was marked by rapid technological advancements and record-breaking flights, capturing the public's imagination. One of the most iconic figures of this era was Charles Lindbergh. In 1927, Lindbergh made history by completing the first solo non-stop transatlantic flight from New York to Paris. Lindbergh's achievement demonstrated the potential of aviation for long-distance travel and made him an international hero. His flight spurred interest in commercial aviation. During the Golden Age, many other aviation milestones were achieved, including Amelia Earhart's solo Atlantic flight. Howard Hughes set new speed records with his innovative aircraft designs. These achievements showcased the potential of aviation and inspired future generations. The Golden Age of aviation was a period of remarkable progress and inspiration. World War II brought about unprecedented technological advancements in aviation. The need for superior aircraft led to significant investments in research and development. One of the most significant advancements was the development of the jet engine, marking the beginning of the jet age. The first operational jet-powered aircraft, the German Messerschmitt Me 262, took to the skies in 1944. Jet engines offered greater speed and efficiency compared to traditional piston engines. World War II also saw the introduction of radar technology, crucial for detecting enemy aircraft. Advances were made in aircraft durability and armament, with aluminum alloys making planes lighter and stronger. Innovations in weaponry increased the firepower of aircraft. By the end of World War II, aviation had transformed dramatically, laying the foundation for the modern aviation industry. The lessons learned and technologies created during this period continue to influence aviation today. The end of World War II marked the beginning of the jet age, revolutionizing aviation. Jet-powered aircraft were faster, more efficient, and capable of flying at higher altitudes. One of the first commercial jet airliners was the de Havilland Comet, which made its maiden flight in 1949. Despite early setbacks, the jet age continued to progress with the introduction of the Boeing 707 in 1958. The 707 set new standards for commercial air travel, making it faster and more accessible. The military also saw significant advancements with jet-powered fighter planes like the F-86 Sabre and the MiG-15. These jets showcased the advantages of speed and maneuverability in combat. The jet age transformed aviation, connecting the world in ways previously unimaginable. The advancements during this period set the stage for further innovations. The impact of the jet age is still felt in modern aviation today. The Cold War between the United States and the Soviet Union led to the space race. The space race began with the Soviet Union's launch of Sputnik 1 in 1957, the first artificial satellite to orbit the Earth. In response, the United States established NASA in 1958 to lead the nation's efforts in space exploration. The space race saw rapid advancements in rocket technology and space missions. One of the early milestones was the Soviet Union's success with Yuri Gagarin, the first human to orbit the Earth in 1961. This achievement intensified the competition between the two superpowers. The United States responded with the Apollo program, aiming to land a man on the Moon by the end of the 1960s. The space race pushed the boundaries of what was technically possible. It led to unprecedented achievements in space exploration. The creation of NASA marked a significant step in the United States' commitment to space exploration. The Apollo program remains one of the most remarkable achievements in the history of space exploration. It aimed to land humans on the Moon and bring them safely back to Earth. The most iconic moment came on July 20, 1969, with the Apollo 11 mission. Astronauts Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin became the first humans to set foot on the Moon. Armstrong's famous words, "That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind," echoed around the world. The Apollo program included a total of 17 missions, with 6 successful moon landings. These missions provided valuable scientific data and samples, advancing our understanding of space travel. The program showcased the capabilities of human ingenuity and teamwork. The achievements of the Apollo program inspired future generations. The lessons learned from Apollo continue to influence space missions today. In the 21st century, aviation and space exploration continue to evolve rapidly. One of the most notable developments in aviation is the rise of electric aircraft, promising to reduce emissions and lower operating costs. Another significant innovation is the development of autonomous drones for various applications. Advances in artificial intelligence and robotics are driving the capabilities of these autonomous systems. Space exploration is also undergoing a revolution with the advent of private space companies like SpaceX, Blue Origin, and Virgin Galactic. They are developing reusable rockets and planning missions to Mars and beyond. NASA continues to push the boundaries of space exploration with the Artemis program and missions to Mars. Advances in technology and international cooperation are critical to these ambitious goals. The current innovations in aviation and space are shaping the future, offering more efficient, sustainable, and accessible travel. The progress being made today will pave the way for new possibilities. The advancements in aviation and space exploration have had profound impacts on society. Air travel has transformed the way people connect and conduct business. Space exploration has inspired generations of scientists and engineers. Innovations from space missions often find applications on Earth. Space exploration fosters international cooperation. The impact of air travel on climate change is a growing concern. Space exploration raises questions about resource use and preservation. The societal impacts of aviation and space exploration are far-reaching. The environmental impact of aviation is significant, with aircraft emissions contributing to climate change and air pollution. Innovations in electric and hybrid propulsion systems offer potential solutions. Sustainable aviation fuels are also being developed to lower emissions. Space exploration faces challenges like increasing satellites and space debris. Technologies for debris removal and sustainable space practices are crucial. Advances in technology will enable human settlements on the Moon and Mars. The future of exploration depends on addressing environmental challenges with sustainable practices.